What's good, family? King Hemi, back again for another vid. This one going on the Powerhouse channel. See me back here.
I don't know
what we doing today? What we doing today? This is what's on the agenda for Hemi Lifestyle.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how this thing sound, boy.
Let's go, man. It's time. I've been fiending for this.
Oh, my bad, y'all. Just to let y'all know, it's like a little glare. It's like scratches right here. I noticed that when I was taking delivery. Little hiccup in the dream that we chasing. Ain't nothing but a couple dollars, so we'll get that fixed shortly. But for right now,
this is it, man.
This will do.
Let's do it.
Got the lime green going crazy out here. He said go around?
Yeah. I'm thinking it.
Y'all see me over here, man.
I'll place it right here.
Yes, sir. Took delivery of this for my birthday. Really wanted to get back in the game. This one really spoke to me, and then for the price. But we gonna get more in depth, you know. We gonna get in tune with this channel as well. Powerhouse channel and King Hemi both will be in full effect for this summer. We working, we chasing a dream. I see it, so it is what it is. With my guys and with my brother, and then we doing what we love to do. Probably gonna have a comparison between the exhaust for y'all later on today.
Let me do it now.
See how it sound and all that. Yeah. Hold on, you gonna hear it now.
So this is the stock sound.
See how it sound after. Alright. And just so y'all know the difference, this one it has a mid muffler delete. I'm gonna show y'all the stock exhaust. This is the stock. Quiet, and then you got the Borla going on this one today. So I'm hoping for a very big difference from this and this. It's also a 3-inch pipe that's going on, so you get that real deep tone. I'm really looking forward to hearing that. So we have something to look forward for our little burgundy friend right here. You dig me? Just stay tuned, guys, man. We got a lot coming, bro. We here. We here and we ain't going nowhere. We've been doing this for a couple now. We in this, so. Yeah, y'all see what's going on here. Yes, sir. About to be that time. Let's see what's going on. See that new sound. Say goodbye to the old. Now you can finally do your unboxing. Multitasking King Hemi. Two different channels looking at each other. Say hi. Powerhouse gang, you feel me?
Got the pieces. You think I should just slice the box open?
I'll pull it out piece by piece, bro. You can always put everything back in.
I want to see them resonators.
X-pipe?
Yeah, this is the X-pipe right here. So let's see. That's the clamps. For the moment we all been waiting for. See it. See it. Thumbnail picture right there.
Ooh-wee.
This what they talking about right now.
Oh boy,
Yes, sir.
that's about to be nasty.
Right in here. So let me get my thumbnail.
Hopefully I'm not neglecting either or camera. I'm over here trying to multitask like crazy. So the metal is, that thing gonna get hot.
All right, you ready?
Woo! Yeah. Let's look at this, bro. That's crazy. Can't wait to hear that. All right. Definitely 3-inch, so this is for sure going to be on my list to do. I want to hear it. All right, guys. Huh? Ain't going nowhere. Pops for real. got going on. I gotta get this camera fixed. That's annoying right there. I'm telling you. Soon though, God's timing. Forgot that I had this side. Could record on this side. I just can't really see.
So if it look weird, click the middle.
Flavors. Looking like
Ready to hit a Borla Atack? Let's go, man.
Looking like a goddamn Skittle pack. R.I.P. Trayvon. No kizzy.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. So what's up, guys? What y'all think? What y'all think about that Borla Atack system? Definitely a 3-inch exhaust. You hear that deep growl, that deep tone. It retained all of that. Yo, how it sound inside? You hear any drone?
Huh?
How it sound inside? You hear any drone?
Nah, no drone. That shit's crazy, bro. No drone at all, bro. No drone at all. It's as if it's just normal exhaust, my nigga. That shit's crazy. No drone whatsoever.
Yeah, that sound like a move for me.
Still gotta keep it. When I get home, yeah, I gotta turn it up this way. Just tilt it over a little more, man. Just like that one.
All right, guys. That's about it. Comment if y'all want to hear comparison side by side. Let us know. Stock Borla mid muffler with the bullet. Yeah. Yeah.